Tsaka, wala. Mm. So yummy. First time ko mag-fry nito, kaya try muna isa. Huh? Dagdagan. Ooh. Dapat ano lulubo siya Oh, yan na. Super nice. Super nice. Wow. Yan na, lumulubo na sila. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, wow. Wow. Amazing. Oh, diba? Nakaka-excite magprito ng ganito. O, diba? Ready na siya. Diba? Tikman mo na. Wow. Ang saya. Wow. Boiled chana or garbanzo beans, onion, tomatoes, napa cabbage, jalapeno, chopped coriander, squeeze lime juice. So 1 lime juice. Put the chaat masala like 1 tablespoon. And put this one like a crackers. It's called property chaat or something like that. You crack it. I just use my hand, it's clean. And we're not going to sell this. We're just going to eat. So it's okay. Like that. Tcharam! And then just mix all the ingredients. Alright, kakain na tayo ng golgappa. So ito yung pinirito ko kanina. So gagawa tayo ng butas dito para lagyan ng ng beans sa loob, yung salad ba. And lagay ito sa loob. Then, lagyan ng yogurt. And, lagyan ng tamarind sauce. Tamarind to. Sampalok ba? Yan. Ganyan na yung itsura. And then,